Hi, good afternoon everyone. It's a momentous time as 2024 draws to a close, and in a few hours we'll usher in 2025. A new year of hope, and for a bigger and a brighter future for Translumina. Looking at the year gone by in 2024 has been very special for us here at Translumina. I think midway during the year, the NIC data once again confirmed our position as a market challenger in India, biggest within the domestic companies in coronary stents, and a clear market challenger to Abbott. Of course, needless to say, our aspirations are to lead the market, and that's where we are working in terms of the portfolio. In the international space as well, we opened up a new office and entity in Dubai, Translumina UAE, to expand our reach into the Middle East and North African countries. As the year comes to a close, we also opened up our 6th global manufacturing facility in Dehradun. So now we have 2 overseas facilities and 4 facilities in India. As we keep on sourcing for newer products in the portfolio which can help exploring limitless possibilities and give treatment solutions to clinicians in improving and saving lives of patients. This is remarkable because we have always in our journey and in our quest tried to expand this market position and strength that we have built up in India also onto the international stage. 2024 has also been remarkable because we have been able to ride on the drug-coated balloons, and with our wing seal technology of Protige across markets, this has been a welcome addition to our drug-eluting stents portfolio. In the days to come by, business will always continue to be dynamic and there will always be risks. But at Translumina, we have always shown resilience to take on these risks and continue to pave the way forward. My best wishes to all of you, and I also want to thank each and every one of you for your support, dedication, and cooperation in building and scaling up Translumina. The great place to work is a testimony to the collaborative spirit that we have in Translumina, and I'm sure that this year too will not be an exception. Once again, best wishes for the festive season and wish you all a very happy new year.